Dear students, now we will do question number 9 of exercise 7.2. What is given in question number 9? Find the coordinates of the points. हमें उन coordinates के points find out करने हैं which divide the line segment A and B into 4 equal parts. Means what is given? A line segment is given. Let it is A -2 to B to 8, and there are some points which divides AB into 4 equal parts. First part, second part, third part, and fourth part. Let points P, Q, R divides AB into 4 equal parts. Means AP is equal to PQ is equal to QR is equal to RB. मीन्स क्या है, जो यहाँ पे AP है वो PQ के इक्वल एंड PQ इज इक्वल टू QR एंड QR इज इक्वल टू RB. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ दीज पॉइंट्स P, Q एंड R. हमें इन 3 पॉइंट्स के कोऑर्डिनेट्स फाइंड आउट करने हैं. सो व्हाट वी विल राइट, लेट P, Q एंड R divide A -2 to and B to 8 into 4 equal parts. If they are dividing into 4 equal part, means AP is equal to PQ is equal to QR is equal to RB. Now we have to find coordinates of P. So first of all, what we will check? P divides AB in, we will find ratio from here. This is first part, and how many parts left here? 1, 2, 3. So ratio will be 1:3 for P. Means P divides AB in 1:3. So what we will find? Coordinates of P. Which formula we will use here? Ratio is given and 2 coordinates are given, and we have to find coordinates of P. Then we will use section formula here. So for section formula, let it is x1 y1, it is x2 y2, and this will be m/n. So coordinates of P will be, we will do multiplication like this: 1 into 2 plus 3 into -2 divided by 1 plus 3. For y, 1 into 8 plus 3 into 2 divided by 1 plus 3. What will come? 2 minus 6 divided by 4. From here 8 plus 6 divided by 4. Minus 4 by 4, 14 by 4. So what is left? -1, 7 by 2. These are the coordinates of P. Now what we will do? What we will write? We have to find ratio of Q. Coordinates of Q, and what we will find? Q divides AB in which ratio? For AB, if we are considering AQ and BQ, 1 to 2 parts, 1 to 2 parts, means ratio is 1:1. So we can find midpoint. So we can find coordinates of Q using midpoint formula. Then what we will write? In ratio 1:1. So coordinates of Q are -2 plus 2 by 2 plus 8 by 2. 0 by 2, 10 by 2 means 0. So minus 2 plus 2, 0 by 2, 10 by 2 means 0, 5. These are the coordinates of Q. Suppose I am taking it M and N, so again answer will be same. Now what we have to find? We have to find coordinates of R. First of all, we will find in which ratio R divides AB. Then R divides AB in which ratio? Now we have to find parts for R. 1, 2, 3 and here one part. Then ratio will be 3:1. So what we will write? R divides AB in 3:1. So now we will find coordinates of R. Coordinates of R. It will be M. It will be N. Again do like this. Means 3 into 2 plus 1 into minus 2 divided by 3 plus 1, comma 3 into 8 plus 1 into 2 divided by 3 plus 1. 3 2s are 6 minus 2 divided by 4. 8 3s are 24 plus 2 divided by 4. 4 by 4 from here 26 by 4. What will left here? 1 and 13 by 2. These are the coordinates of R. So coordinates of R are 1, 13 by 2. So these are the coordinates of the points which divides AB into 4 equal parts. This is our question number 9. What we have done in this question? We have used section formula. For section formula, how we have find ratio? We represent these points on line and we can see that these are for P 1 part, 1, 2, 3 part. For Q 2 and 2 equal parts means ratio will be 1:1. For R, first, second, third 3 part and 1 part. So ratio will be 3:1. This is our question number 9. Please note it down. Now question number 10. What we have to find in question number 10? Find the area of rhombus. A rhombus is given and we have to find area. Where vertices of rhombus are 3 0 4 5 -1 4 -2 -1. हमें एक रोम्बस गिवन है, रोम्बस के वर्टिसेस गिवन है, हमें उसका एरिया फाइंड आउट करना है. वी नो दैट इन रोम्बस ऑल साइड्स आर इक्वल एंड recall all properties of rhombus which will be used for finding area. First of all, let 3 0 4 5 -1 4 and -2 -1 are the coordinates of this rhombus. Let it is A, it is B, it is C and it is D. We have drawn a rough diagram. It is not a fair diagram. We have drawn a rough diagram. And we know that area of rhombus is equal to 1 by 2 into D1 into D2, where D1 and D2 are its diagonal. Let this is first diagonal D1 and this is D1 and let this is D2. This is D1 and this is D2. Now first of all we have to find D1 and D2. How we will find D1 BD? We will use distance formula here. For BD, we will take these vertices. Let it is x1. Let it is x1, y1. It is x2, y2. Equal to x2 minus x1 means 4 minus 2 whole square plus 5 minus 1 whole square. Now from here 4 plus 2 whole square plus 5 plus 1 whole square means 6 square plus 6 square and its square root. 6 square is 36 plus 36 and its square root. Root 72. How we will write it? 6 root 2 and it is in units. Now we will find diagonal D2 AC. It is D2. Then D2 will equal to, again we will use distance formula. Let it is x1 y1. It x1 y1 for AC and it is x2 y2. Then x2 minus x1 means 3 minus 1 whole square plus 0 minus 4 whole square. From here 3 plus 1 whole square plus minus 4 whole square. Now from here 3 plus 1 4 square. 4 square is 16 plus minus 4 square 16 and it is equal to root 32 and from here we will get 4 root 2 units. This is the length of second diagonal. Now what we have to find? Area of rhombus. Area of rhombus. It is equal to 1 by 2 into D1 into D2, then 1 by 2. What is the length of D1? 6 root 2. What is the length of D2? 4 root 2. Then 6 2s are 12 into root 2 into root 2, 2. Then it will equal to 24 and it will be in square units because we measure area in square units. So area of this rhombus will be 24 square units. Now I think there is no doubt in this question. If you are having any doubt, you can ask by commenting.